everyone, I'm Vivian from Zhengzhou Medical. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce the Hitachi EX200-5 hydraulic excavators to you guys. This is Hitachi EX200-5. It's a 20 tons hydraulic excavator produced by Hitachi Construction Machinery from Japan. It is widely used in construction, mining, and engineering projects for its stability and durability. This machine has an operating weight of 19,200 kilograms, a bucket capacity of 0.91 cubic meters, a maximum digging depth of 6,670 millimeters, and a radius of 9,920 millimeters. It is powered by an Isuzu 6BG1 diesel engine with a rated power of 99 kilowatts. The engine offers strong torque, low fuel consumption, and works perfectly with Hitachi's hydraulic system. For safety, the cab is reinforced with a safety frame, wide vision, and ergonomic controls. The key advantage are strong structure, easy maintenance, low failure rate, and long service life. The Hitachi EX200-5 is a reliable and cost-effective choice for all excavation work. After my introduction, are you interested in this machine? Welcome to Inquiry. Hope I can be your best Chinese supplier. I'm Vivian. See you next time.